Hello and welcome everyone. This is an introduction guide to the JSTOR database. I'm Rosa Conrad with San Jose State University Library. I'm your social sciences librarian at SJSU. A little bit about my academic background. I hold a Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences with a focus on history, sociology, and political science, a Master of Arts in Sociological Practice, and a Master's of Library and Information Science. This short presentation will introduce first-year undergraduate students and other students to the database JSTOR. In this presentation, I will be covering the following. What is JSTOR? What type of content is available in JSTOR? How much content is available in this database? Who would be interested in using JSTOR? How to access JSTOR? And what subjects does JSTOR cover? Let's begin with what is JSTOR. JSTOR is a database as part of Ithaca, a not-for-profit organization. JSTOR gives you access to 75 disciplines, 2,600 scholarly journals, 65,000 ebooks, and 2 million primary sources. You're probably wondering what type of content is available in this database. JSTOR is a digital library that has content from 1665 to the present year. JSTOR gives you access to over 12 million items that include the following: academic articles, books, and primary sources. An interesting fact about JSTOR is that one of the oldest items in its collection is Philosophical Transactions that covers the years from 1665 to 1678. If you're interested in this item, you can find it here just by clicking on the link below. As I previously mentioned, JSTOR gives you access to ebooks. You have access to ebooks without the following limitations: simultaneous online access for an unlimited number of users, unlimited DRM-free chapter downloads that never expire, unlimited printing and copy and pasting, no requirement for the user to log in or use special software, interlibrary loan for all ebook chapters. Perhaps you're wondering who would be interested in using JSTOR. Students enrolled in the humanities, social sciences, and sciences will find this database helpful for any paper and projects for their courses. This includes graduate students, scholars, and researchers. By now you're probably asking how to access JSTOR, this wonderful database that will help me with my papers and class projects. You can access JSTOR through SJSU King Library's website using your campus credentials. Subject areas found in JSTOR are arts, business and economics, history, humanities, law, medicine and allied health, science and mathematics, social sciences. But users can also browse by each of the subjects, title, and publisher. I hope you found this presentation helpful, but if you need further assistance, I am available to assist you. You can email me at rosa.conrad@sjsu.edu with any questions and also to set up an appointment. You're also welcome to stop by the King Library. I do recommend you call ahead if you would like to meet with me specifically. King Library also has librarians to assist you if you find yourself needing help and I'm not available. The librarians on call or chat can get you started, and you can follow up with me for additional help. You can also visit my YouTube channel for video tutorials on how to use JSTOR and other videos to help you get started using SJSU King's Library's website. Just go to YouTube and under the search, type in rosa.conrad@sjsu.edu. Thank you. Lastly, I would just like to say thank you to all the people who made and released these awesome resources for free that I used in this presentation. Presentation template by Slides Carnival and photographs by Unsplash.